How to block spam calls on iPhone, stop them forever. Now, if your iPhone is ringing absolutely nonstop, unknown numbers, scam calls, and robocalls with warranty expired nonsense are coming to you, and even fake bank alerts. It is not just annoying, it is literally constant interruption. Now, in 2026, spam calls are pretty much worse than ever because scammers rotate numbers every few seconds. AI voice bots make calls sound real, and your number gets sold across different databases. Now, blocking one number at a time is pretty much useless. You block one, 10 more are going to appear. But the good news is that your iPhone already has built in tools that can stop most of these calls automatically. You just need to set them up properly. So let's fix it step by step. Now, first, the most obvious method when a spam call comes in, open your recents list. Now, your recents lists is obviously going to be available inside of your contacts. Okay. So once you open up your recents list, you're going to tap the I next to the number. Okay. So in that I, what's going to happen is it takes you to the next number. So scroll down and it says block this caller. And it's as simple as that. But here is the real problem. Scammers will not reuse numbers. So this only helps short term. Think of it like plugging holes in a leaking pipe. And obviously, that leaking pipe is getting plugged one at a time. So, of course, we need something significantly stronger. Now, this is the most powerful iPhone setting that most people never use properly. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your settings, and here you have the silence unknown callers. Now, this is a setting that you can turn on through your phone, and it is an incredible setting. So basically, once you turn it on, what this does is calls from unknown numbers are going to go straight to voicemail. Your phone does not ring. Only contacts and recent outgoing numbers are going to come through. So your phone is going to stay quiet. But important detail, you will still see missed calls in your log, and legitimate callers can still leave voicemails. This alone will eliminate the majority of spam interruptions. So, what you're going to do from here is move over to the next solution that is something that Apple added, which is even smarter: live voicemail. So basically, what happens is when an unknown number is calling, your phone is going to be showing a live transcript of the voicemail. So you can see what they're saying in real time. So if we search up live voicemail, here you're going to be able to see that your phone is going to go ahead and show a live transcript. Now, you can see what they're saying, you can see what they're talking about. So if it is a real delivery person or a bank call you expect, you can pick up. Now, if it is your car warranty, a final warning, you can ignore it instantly. It turns your voicemail into an absolute spam detector. Now we go beyond iPhone settings. Your mobile carrier can block spam call before it even reaches your phone. Now, depending on your SIM provider, spam filtering apps, scam detection systems, fraud call labeling, examples are going to include Verizon Call Filter, AT&T Active Armor, and T-Mobile Scam Shield. These services are going to identify spam numbers before actually ringing, label any type of suspicious calls, auto block known scam networks, and this is quite powerful because it works at the 4 network level, not just your phone. So even fewer spam calls are going to reach you in the first place. Now, even after all of this, you might still get a few calls. And here is why. Your number may be leaked from a website or added to different marketing lists. It could be reused in data broker databases as well. Scammers are constantly going to refresh their call lists. So the goal is not zero calls, the goal is zero interruptions. And these settings, of course, will get you very close. Now, a few more tweaks that you can do. Firstly, disable share my caller ID if not needed. Secondly, avoid posting your number publicly online. Thirdly, do not answer any unknown calls even to reject them. Why? Answering confirms your number is active. Now that will increase the spam frequency. Now let's fix a few bad habits. So the first and foremost mistake, blocking every number manually actually wastes a lot of time. Mistake number 2, answering spam calls just to check. Mistake number 3, installing random third-party call blocker apps that don't add much value. Mistake number 4, ignoring carrier spam tools. And mistake number 5, thinking one setting alone will solve everything. So spam blocking is layered protection, not a single switch. Now, if you want maximum protection, do this. Turn on silence unknown callers, enable live voicemail, activate carrier spam protection, and block known spam numbers when they appear. Now, that combination reduces spam calls dramatically. So, yeah, spam calls on iPhone is going to feel endless, but you're not stuck with them. You just need the right setup, silence unknown callers, live voicemail, carrier filtering. Once all three are active, your phone finally becomes quiet as it always was. So if this video helped you stop spam calls for you, go ahead and comment spam below so others know that it works in 2026. And subscribe for more iPhone privacy tutorials, fixes, and tech guides just like this. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you next time. Enjoy the silence. Goodbye.